Today we're going to bring an earwax remover. Now this is an endoscope. It comes with a couple of attachments, USBs to charge it up, and of course the system itself. We're going to take a look at it, but be careful how you use this. People could damage your ears if you're, doing it on the fast. Make sure that you monitor yourself. Supervise anybody that's underage that's going to use it. I wouldn't recommend it. Make sure you take a look at some of the features first and sanitize it before you put anything in your ear. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what you get. So you actually get the system here, of course. It's on and off button, and this actually syncs up to your phone or your actual iOS or Android. So we're going to take a look at an iPad. We're going to put it on an iPad. All right, we're going to put this on the side for now. And then they give you a different setup. So in case, you get it too dirty, the other one, just replace it, throw it away and replace it. Just be aware that, these are actually detachable. You don't want to leave them there or keep them closed or hook up to something that you're not supposed to. So just make sure, all right? So we'll put this on the side, and then we're going to open this last. All right. Now here are a couple of tools. These are actually to remove the actual wax, if you guys can see that. So some of them, I actually own some, all right? I have something like this, a little scooper like this to clean your ears. I don't go another way. You don't want to damage your eardrums, all right? There's a couple of different brushes too and a different removers too and little scoopers, all right? So you could do this manually but will be more like a guide, and this will actually be to pull it out. So they give you all these options in here, and we're going to put it to use and see how well it works. Now, to get the application, you could do it through here, and we're going to show you how to use that. So we're going to get our iPad. All right, this is the application you're going to need to install. All right, just to let you know, it's right here. I got it before, so we're going to go ahead and set it up, and we're connecting to it. All right, so let's go ahead and go back, and we're going to see if we can connect it. And it's got it. Connect to it. Okay, so here it is. We're actually connecting to it from the actual iPad, all right? And we're just going to guide it into my ear slowly, right? And just make sure, be aware of what goes in your ear. Make sure that it's all nice sanitized first prior to using it. If you guys notice, there's something in there like a little grass or something, so I took it out. And then we're just going to go slowly to your ear. And then if you guys see it, I don't have too much earwax, but we're just going to take whatever we have on the outside. And of course, the connection is a little slower because it is working on it. And you can rotate your ears. You guys can see that. So rotate it on your ears. And just be careful not to use this too much as a guide because you might be going the wrong way. So just make sure that you get this. Maybe somebody can do it for you and you can see what you can see in there. But this is good if you're going to do it solo too. All right. But first time using it, practice before putting anything in your ear. All right. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.